So the biggest mistake that we find with a lot of new prospects when we talk to them and how an incident actually occurred and they're not able to get back up and running is their backup. They do not check their backup. So they have a false sense of security, thinking that, hey, you know what, if anything ever happens, we have a backup copy and we can just restore it. So you got to make sure that you test your backup. I mean, what's a backup good for if it doesn't work when you need to use it, right? So what we always recommend to our clients is we call it the 3x3, is you got to have 3 backup copies. So a local backup, maybe one in the cloud, and one offsite or offline, okay? And then the other 3 means you gotta test your backups at least 3 times a year to make sure that you can recover within a very short period of time. One of the biggest mistakes that we've seen with not testing your backup is when they go to use their backup, sometimes it takes them 2, 3, 4 weeks to get their backup, to get their data back. I mean, that's a long time if you've got 30 employees and you're paying payroll and you're missing out on revenue as well, where you've got to defer that revenue. I mean, that's a big pain point. We've seen that many, many times. The other mistake is when they don't test that backup, and it's not there, it doesn't work. So that's why it's really important that you have at least 3 different backup copies and you test it 3 times a year. So when you really need to use that backup, you know how long it's going to take and you know that it's there. Hey, if you heard something in this video or if you're experiencing an incident right now, call us at the number below or click on the link and complete the Contact Us form, and we'll call you back within an hour so that you can get your business back up and running.